Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sedona. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.